Hello garden romantics! If you are looking for a plant that brings grace, movement and subtle elegance to your garden, we've just got the one. Meet Gauras Flamingo from Provenwinners, a soft, airy stunner with delicate blooms floating on long wispy stems. Gauras Flamingo adds a feeling of lightness and style to any space. You have 3 different color options available. There is Flamingo Pink here, with flowers in soft to dark pink color hues on dark green foliage. Then you have Flamingo Snow on my right hand side that has pure white flowers on fresh green foliage. And last but not least, there is the very new variety Flamingo Splash with white to pale pink flowers and a beautiful variegated foliage. The Gauras is originally a perennial that grows wild in the prairies of North America. It initially forms rosettes on the ground, from which the long, elegant flower panicles rise up. These branch out over the course of the summer and repeatedly produce new, fragrant, butterfly-like flowers. The Gauras looks particularly graceful in mixed containers or as a background plant in the border, preferably in full sun locations. The slender, elegant flower spikes bring height and structure in mixed plantings. It is certainly stunning in cottage gardens, but also in large modern patio pots. You know what makes Gauras Flamingo so special? It is their continuous rich blooming from late spring right until frost. And unlike older Gauras types, Flamingo is more compact, less floppy and better branched. Moreover, it is extremely drought and heat tolerant. And what is so very important to us garden lovers, it attracts bees and butterflies like a magnet. Therefore, Gauras Flamingo is the most marvelous plant for a natural, sustainable and pollinator-friendly garden. Now, have you ever tried Gauras before? Tell us in the comments where you would plant Flamingo, in a border, in a pot or prairie-style design. Please like, subscribe and follow our Provenwinners channel for more elegant performers like Flamingo. Plants that are easy to grow and hard to forget. I say goodbye for now and hope to see you very soon. Bye friends!